Check out the unique spare tire mount from Rough Country. It's not on the rear side or under the truck, but right on the truck bed. Sure, it takes up some space, but on the other hand, there will be no unnecessary load on the side, and no risk of damage underneath. This mount accommodates wheels up to 40 inches and makes it easy to remove the spare tire when you need it. The price for this mount is $200. Check out this pretty cool product called Kurt Power Ride. This wheel hitch simplifies towing camping trailers. It's built for loads up to 13.6 tons and is easy to install, no welding necessary. You can adjust the height within a 10 centimeter range. Plus, when you don't need it, it comes apart into several pieces. You can get it for $1,588. We've finally done it, celebrates the Limitless Chassis team. They've put in the effort to create a universal tailgate step, and here is the result. It can handle a load of 120 kilograms, folds down to a slim 40 millimeters, and is easily controlled with just one hand. As a bonus, it can also serve as a tailgate, extending the truck bed. All of this for $895. Check out the custom Ford F-250 Super Duty from the DeBerti design team. This pickup packs a punch thanks to its 900 horsepower engine. What's more, there are hidden tool storage sections under the fenders. Need more? Pull the rear bumper and there's a compartment with a welding machine. And of course, the team upgraded the wheels as well. It's got sturdy 17-inch discs with 37-inch BF Goodrich KR2 tires. Tune Outdoor also has something to surprise pickup truck owners. Take a look at this camper. It's lightweight, adding just 163 kilograms to the total weight of the vehicle. But don't let that fool you. These campers are fully loaded. The standard setup gives you a 360-degree view, along with lighting and a 10 centimeter thick mattress. You get to customize many options yourself, and the prices start at $13,000. Check out this system that's a game changer for anyone regularly hauling long items in their pickup truck, be it kayaks or lumber. The T-Bone system extends the bed by 1.2 meters and can handle loads up to 136 kilograms. Made from aircraft-grade aluminium, it's lightweight at just 7.2 kilograms. It comes in several colors, so you can pick the one that matches your car. This system is available for $260. Here's a follow-up to the story about short beds and lengthy loads, Sheet. The manufacturers kept it simple, skipping metal structures and providing an easy-to-mount option, which can be installed in just a minute. Sheet adds 1.6 or 2.4 meters to the cargo bed's usable length, and when not in use, it folds neatly under the rear seat. The 2.4 meter version is available for $210. Circle R offers another truck bed extender that's worth checking out. This model stretches the platform to either 2.4 or 3 meters, and is compatible with most popular pickup trucks by Ford, Chevrolet, and other manufacturers. The Circle R comes in 3 parts, weighing about 18 kilograms, making it manageable for solo use. You can purchase the Circle R for $300. All pickup truck owners understand the need to keep things secure in the truck bed. Whether you're driving on steep dirt trails or city streets, things might tumble or catch unwanted attention. That's why people buy these protective covers for $2,700. Thanks to the electric drive, these covers are easy to control from the car and can be fixed in any position. The robust aluminium housing is there to shield your cargo from both the weather and potential thieves. Take your pickup truck to the next level with this upgrade that transforms it into a true workhorse. The pickup pack system is the perfect way to make the job of hauling tools and supplies a breeze. Tailor it to your needs by opting for either a universal or a specialized system, like the one designed for surveyors. And for those with unique demands, you can opt for a custom-built pickup pack. The universal version features 2 lockable side boxes that open smoothly thanks to its gas shock absorbers. Back in the day, good armor used to be pricey. And guess what? It still is. Tiger Auto sells these mini armors, and they don't protect knights, but rather the tail lights of your car. Priced at $89 per pair, this unique accessory is crafted from aluminium alloy and can be easily mounted in minutes using a bolt system. What's your take? Is it worth the investment in something like this? Picture a regular plastic toolbox. Now, picture it enlarged up to 132 by 58 by 51 centimeters. That's exactly what this company wanted to sell through Kickstarter for $379. However, the campaign didn't take off. It seems backers were expecting a bit more value for their money than just steel reinforced plastic boxes weighing around 16 kilograms. Check out how the Tow a Bike team operates. They're always ready to transport or tow a motorcycle 24/7. The Tow a Bike team hits the road with pickup trucks that are around 5 meters long. These trucks come with a hydraulic lifting system, making it easy to load and unload, even if you're flying solo. The result is bikes weighing 180 kilograms and more just gliding through the air. Meet Basecamp, the world's first modular tailgate system. It looks pretty cool. You can relax on the seats or right on the tailgate, or take them to a better spot. The cooler bag keeps food chilled for 48 hours and is easily removable. You can use special straps to transport different cargo too. All of this for just $150. Transform your pickup truck into a rolling party with this kit. For just $45, you get 8 light modules, each sporting 9 LEDs. You can adjust colors and settings easily with a remote control or a smartphone app. These modules are built to last for 50,000 hours. Plus, Their sturdy housings provide protection not just from dust, but also from accidental water immersion up to a meter in depth. Do you know how to sell a tow hitch for $307? By simply upgrading it to include extra bumper protection and built-in mud flaps. In the 3XL version, the mud flaps extend beyond the frame by 23 centimeters. Plus, the rubber's thick enough to keep ice and mud buildup to a minimum. When working with a really tall pickup truck, it can be a hassle to keep climbing onto the truck bed, even with ladders and steps. That's where the X-High comes in handy. This drawer system is neatly mounted above the pickup truck's sides, allowing you to work without the need to climb on the bed. The drawers are crafted from 3.1mm thick aluminium, which is twice as thick as many competitors' models. The standard X-High setup includes 4 to 6 drawers, and cost-wise, you're looking at around $4,800. You can make your pickup truck vacation comfy with the camping upgrades from Dirtbox Overland. The topper version is like a sturdy truck cab, while the camper version comes with a tent module. Both include 12-volt sockets and built-in lighting. Thanks to the universal design, customization is flexible based on your preferences. Need mounts for fuel tanks or accessories? The manufacturer can easily add them. The topper version comes in at $3,400. Work smarter, not harder. Advise the creators of Cargo Glide. With this system, there's no need to climb onto the truck bed. Even with 998 kilograms of cargo, the Cargo Glide slides out with a single hand movement. Since the system comes assembled, installation only takes about half an hour. The size and capabilities of the Cargo Glide depend on the specific pickup truck model. To get this system, you'll need to shell out around $1,400. Check out the Traction Team's tailgate ladder. With the 5100 version, you can easily climb up to 107 centimeters high. It's sturdy and can handle a load of up to 136 kilograms. Plus, when you're not using it, just secure it neatly against the tailgate. No hassle with the cargo bed. Its price is $53. Wrapping up the video, let's take a look at these custom bumpers from Flog Bumpers. On average, this bumper is 27 kilograms heavier than a regular one, but the durability is significantly better. For instance, the Chevy 2500 bumper is crafted from 4.7 and 8mm thick carbon steel, treated with an impact-resistant powder coat finish. It takes about 2 weeks to make and comes with a price tag of $2,750.